Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you're signed into the Google account that uploaded the short. This matters because edits only affect the uploader. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio, then navigate to Content and Filter for Shorts so you can find the clip quickly. Click the three dots on the short and choose Edit Video. This initial access step lets you reach the editor interface where you can replace or reassign the audio. Make sure the short is fully processed before you proceed. In the editor, switch to the Audio tab and either search YouTube's audio library or choose to upload a compliant track. You're replacing the short's sound so syncing matters. Once you pick audio, trim and drag the waveform to align with the video and adjust track volume so dialogue isn't drowned out. Preview repeatedly while making small timing corrections. When satisfied, save your changes and add an edit note that documents the new audio source. This helps with claims and future audits. After applying the new audio, save and let YouTube finish processing. This step makes the change stick across devices, so check the short on desktop and mobile. If the audio reverts or fails to appear, confirm your editing from the uploader account and that the audio is copyright safe. Claims can block permanent replacement. If processing stalls, clear browser cache or try a fresh upload of the edited short. One troubleshooting tip. If edits still fail after 24
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.